three-stage pearl paint refers to the top coat that is composed of three coats: color coat, pearl coat, and clear coat. On the vehicle production line, it is to spray the base coat first, then the pearl coat, and finally the clear coat. That is called three-stage. It is also necessary to touch up the top coat according to this process during maintenance operation. As the pearl coat is translucent, the visible light can reach the color coat. Therefore, the color reflected from the mica pigment of pearl coat has been mixed with the color reflected from the base coat, which makes the top coat flash out pearl-like soft luster in a bright light condition. The pearl pigment reflects the visible light, and the thicker the pearl layer is, the stronger the color becomes. 2. Characteristic of three-stage paint. In addition to white pearl, there are other pearls for three-stage coating, such as red pearl coating. The first coat is the reflective layer, metallic color, mixed with red pigment, pearl pigment, and aluminum pigment. The second coat is the light transmission layer, translucent pure color, with higher chroma of red pigment. The third coat is the transparent clear coat. Under the direct sunlight, the light returned by aluminum powder will make the chroma of light transmission layer more splendid. In the shaded area, the red color of the light transmission layer and the reflective layer overlap with each other, showing a deep red, which appears a bright and flickering color effect with the changes in light intensity and angle by virtue of the coating structure. 3. Pearl paint pigment application point. 1. To spray color coat is as same as to spray 2K paint. The color coat must be fully sprayed to completely cover the primer surface, substrate. 2. After the color coat is sprayed, there must be enough time for drying. If the color coat is not sufficiently be-dried, it would be mixed with the pearl coat, which may result in that the color difference or particle effect is not good. However, excessive drying will cause poor adhesive. 3. Check whether the base coat is of dust or particle before spraying pearl coat. If any, remove it and respray the color coat. Otherwise, it cannot be covered by the pearl pigment. 4. Pearl coating times should be as the same as test plate in toning. It is recommended to place the color plate in the baking room for color comparison or change the spraying times. 5. A relatively long distance should be maintained for spraying the pearl coat, about 25 centimeters, to make the glossiness reach about 50%. 6. It is recommended to thin spray clear coat to prevent the pearl coat from moldy spots. Conclusions. Finally, through the introduction of the above contents, it is hoped that we can master the characteristics and spraying skills in three-stage pearl paint, and that we continue to learn and explore these in the future practice.